IIFL Home Finance signs co-lending agreement with PNB. IIFL Home Finance Limited, IIFL HFL, has signed a co-lending agreement with Punjab National Bank, PNB. It is the fourth co-lending of IIFL HFL with the banks. Objective to increase the penetration of affordable housing loans and secured MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises, loans. Highlights I. The co-lending agreement with the PNB, India's second largest public sector bank, where 80% of loan will be provided by PNB and IIFL HFL will manage the loan sourcing, documentation collection and servicing work. It is expected that the company has increased loans by around 25%. IE.The main focus states are Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Karnataka. The low interest rate of loans would be provided to its customers in 17 states. Earlier, the company has signed co-lending agreements with three different banks: SSE Bank, Central Bank of India and Standard Chartered Bank. IIFL HFL has facilitated credit-linked subsidy benefits under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) to over 44,700 beneficiary households in 17 states, with subsidy amount totaling Rs 1,068 crore. About Punjab National Bank Chief Executive Officer S.S. Mallikarjuna Rao Headquarters New Delhi, Delhi founded 19 May 1894 Tagline The name you can bank upon. About IIFL Home Finance Limited Chief Executive Officer Monu Ratra. PFC issues India's first ever Euro Green Bond. Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFC, the leading non-banking financial company, NBFC, in the power sector, launched its first €300 million 7-year Euro bond issuance on September 13, pricing 1.841%. The issuance got participation from around 82 accounts and was oversubscribed 2.65 times by institutional investors across Asia and Europe. IE.The pricing achieved is the lowest yield locked in by an Indian issuer in the euro markets. It is the first ever euro-denominated green bond issuance from India. It is the first ever euro issuance by an Indian NBFC and the first euro bond issuance from India since 2017. About Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFC, it is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Power. Head Office New Delhi, India. Chairman and Managing Director Shri Ravinder Singh Dhillon, founded 16 July 1986. IPPB partnered with Tata AG General Insurance, Bajaj Allianz to distribute non-life insurance products. India Post Payments Bank, IPPB, partnered with Tata AG General Insurance Company Limited and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance for the distribution of non-life insurance products across India. Under the partnership, IPPB will distribute affordable insurance products to the customers through its network of 650 branches and over 136,000 banking access points. Objective: to address the protection needs of the unbanked and underserved customers. Around 2 lakh postal service providers, gram and dak sevaks and postmen, who are equipped with micro ATMs and biometric devices, will play a major role in distributing and promoting the insurance products. Key points: Under the partnership, the IPPB will reach the customers through its unique doorstep service, in which the postman would reach out to the doorstep of the customers in semi-urban and rural areas to provide insurance products digitally in a simple, economical manner. IE.The scope of the insurance products include healthcare and medical products, personal accident, vehicle insurance, amongst others. Recent related news: in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 3A of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, 5 of 1873, the Finance Ministry has amended the Post Office Savings Account Scheme, 2019, and the scheme was named as Post Office Savings Account Amendment Scheme 200-2122. About India Post Payments Bank, IPPB, establishment 2018. Under the Department of Posts, Ministry of Communication Headquarters, New Delhi, Delhi. MD and CEO, J. Venkatramu. Tagline: Aapka Bank, Aapki Dwar. About Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, it is a joint venture between Allianz SE and Bajaj Finserv Limited. Establishment 2001. Headquarters, Pune, Maharashtra. MD and CEO Mr. Tapan Singhal. NIPL partnered with Liquid Group to power UPI QR acceptance in 10 Asian markets. NPCI International Payments Limited, NIPL, the international arm of National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, has partnered with Liquid Group Pte. Limited Liquid Group, to enable Unified Payments Interface (UPI) QR-based payments acceptance in 10 markets across North Asia and Southeast Asia. The partnership will enable BIM Barrett Interface for Money app users to make UPI QR-based payments at over 2 million merchants across North Asia and Southeast Asia from early 2022. Liquid Group is a leading cross-border digital payments provider, which integrates an extensive network of merchant acquiring partners in the 10 markets of Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan. About Unified Payments Interface (UPI), it is an instant payment system developed by NPCI, and it was built over the Immediate Payment Service (IMPS) infrastructure. IE.IT allows the users to instantly transfer money between any two parties' bank accounts, i.e. the interbank transactions, without revealing details of one's bank account to the other. EE.THE real-time payments technology UPI provides security in both person-to-person (P2P) and person-to-merchant (P2M) transactions. IF.IN 2020, UPI allowed transactions worth $457 billion, which is equivalent to 15% of India's gross domestic product (GDP). About NPCI International Payments Limited (NIPL), it is a wholly owned subsidiary of NPCI, devoted to the deployment of NPCI's UPI and RuPay outside India. Establishment, April 3, 2020. Headquarters, Mumbai, Maharashtra. CEO, Ritesh Shukla. DFC and USAID announce $55 million credit guarantee program to address economic impact of COVID-19 in India. United States, U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, DFC, in collaboration with United States Agency for International Development, USAID, jointly announced an 8-year sponsor program with a credit guarantee of United States $55 million, Rs 400 crores, named India COVID Response Program for Agriculture Transition to address the economic impact of COVID-19 in India. This initiative will offer customized financial solutions to entities interested in adopting climate-smart and green solutions. Objective: to improve the linkages and increase the income of farmers while having a positive environmental impact. Beneficiaries: loans will be provided to farmer-producer organizations, FPO, agriculture technology companies, agtech, companies engaged in clean energy sectors of agriculture, women and vulnerable sections in India. About the program. The program will provide support to more than 200,000 small farm holders by giving them direct grants from different international foundations like the United Kingdom's Foreign, Commonwealth, and Development OFFICE, CDO. Technical support: the Rainbow Foundation is providing technical assistance in the program. Indian lenders companies' loans to farmers will be provided by Samanati Financial, Manavia, and Avanti Finance. The program will also address the health and economic needs of vulnerable farmer communities severely impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Recent related news: United States Agency for International Development, USAID, and the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, DFC, have partnered with Kotak Mahindra Bank, KMB, for United States $50 million, EINR 372 crore, loan guarantee for women entrepreneurs and micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, across India. About Rainbow Foundation, it is a corporate foundation of Rabobank. Rabobank is a global leader in food and agriculture lending. Established 1974. Chief Executive Officer Pim Mole. About USAID, United States Agency for International Development. Established 3 November 1961. Founder John F. Kennedy. Headquarters Washington, D.C., United States of America. Administrator Samantha Power. Flipkart Wholesale partnered with Davinta to offer credit facility for retailers. Flipkart Wholesale, digital business-to-business, B2B, marketplace of Flipkart Group partnered with Davinta Financial Services Private Limited, Davinta, and SME lending platform based in Bengaluru to offer a credit facility for retailers associated with Flipkart. The partnership between Flipkart Wholesale and Davinta will offer a buy now pay later (BNPL) credit facility to the micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and Kiranas. Via Prashakti, the flagship product of Davinta, is a BNPL credit facility designed for small retailers. CB levied Rs 1 lakh fine on employee of Titan for disclosure lapses. Securities and Exchange Board of India, (SEBI), the regulatory body for securities and commodity market, has levied a monetary penalty of Rs 1 lakh on Chandan Gupta, an employee of Titan Company Limited, for disclosure lapses in violating the insider trading norms. He transacted in the firm's securities on 2 occasions in the calendar quarter ending on September 30, 2018. The total value traded was more than Rs 10 lakh,